2023 Toyota Tundra. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, auto climate control, keyless entry. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.